Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Windows Remote Desktop does not save credentials. Credentials. So to resolve this problem, search REGEDIT one registry editor. Now in registry editor guys, you need to expand HKey local machine, then system, then expand current control set. Now double click on control. Now here guys, you have to find out folder LSA, this one. So double click on it, and here you need to find out this disable domain creds. So double click on it and make sure validata as 0. If you see any another number like number 1, so delete it and make it here 0. Then click on OK. Now exit the registry editor and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.